Welcome to the Trading with Trend Discord. I'm Karsten, also known as Kit Trades. So I'd just like to welcome you to the application. Okay, so I tried to film the video outside, but kind of just looked like shit with the lighting and everything. But essentially, like what I'm trying to get through here is that the Trading with Trend Premium group is basically just a group of, like, I think we're capping it at 60 traders who trade daily, stay active, and are trading our strategy. That way, every day we can all trade together, share our signals, buy signals, sell signals, and share the results of those signals, as well as help each other look out for like market structure and supply and demand zones and things like that to make sure that we get the best trades. There's a lot of one-on-one support in Trading with Trend. Like, we'll hold your hand, we'll work with you, we'll teach you the strategies, we'll help you answer any questions, and we'll like just basically do our best to get you profitable. Our whole goal at Trading with Trend is for each Trading with Trend member to be a profitable trader. We have custom trading view indicators and MetaTrader 4 and 5 software that we're working on right now for risk management. If you apply for Trading with Trends and you get in, essentially you're getting access to a few more Discord channels where every day we're live trading, generally NAS 100 and XAU USD, as well as like some one-on-one help and some premium indicators and software, as well as some strategy PDFs and videos. So if that's something that you're interested in, you want to be a full-time trader, you want to kind of get involved more, be more active, then this is where you want to be. So if that sounds interesting to you, fill out the form below, and see you in TWT.